So this video is about getting paid to relax. No, it's not. It's about making videos about relaxing. And it would be more relaxing if you were getting paid from making those videos. It just so happens that this is about relaxing YouTube videos. Now, I'm almost certain that you've seen some videos like this show up on YouTube when you log in. It may not necessarily be about falling asleep in under 3 minutes, but videos with thumbnails just like these here about sleep music, 24/7 sleep meditation, relaxation music. The truth is that these videos get a lot of views. Not only that this one is getting 319 million views over the past 5 years, but according to vidIQ, this video gets 7.7 thousand views per hour. So basically, I want to try and figure out how I can get something like this started as well. And if you want, you can follow along with me to try how you can do the same thing. So what I'm going to do is this. I'm going to look at a few channels that are doing this for some time now. Look at how much money they're probably making. And also look at some very small channels who are just starting off, because I will be one of those channels as well. And closer to the ending of this video, I will look at how you could possibly replicate the same type of video, what is entailed in the video, how they're getting their content, what music is playing in the background, and how you can start quickly putting together videos like these on YouTube. Okay, so the first big channel that we're going to look at is one called Meditation Relax Music, which is with 2.5 million subscribers. This is really interesting. Over the last 30 days, this channel got 4.81 million views, gaining 7.1 thousand subscribers. And you won't believe this. This channel didn't upload for the past 3 months. The last video is 3 months ago. And that one video from 3 months ago gets 17 views per hour. Can you imagine that 3 months ago and still making so many millions of views per month? But what does 4.81 million views per month amount to? According to Social Blade, this works up to $1.2 thousand to $19,800 per month earnings. So let's say we were to average that at $10,000 per month. And that's $10,000 per month passive income because they didn't do anything for the past 3 months. But yet they're getting these consistent views and consistent subscribers, which, as you can see, this is a day-by-day play here. Estimated earnings up to $707. Not sure what happened on Thursday, but almost $1,000 on Friday. Almost $1,000 with doing nothing. Now, I don't expect if I start a channel like this that it would just kick off like that. Obviously, there's work to do up front and things to put in place to make sure that your channel is successful. But what is that? Let's see what they do. If you think about it, a lot of times when somebody clicks one of these videos, they don't know what it sounds like before they click it. Just putting myself in somebody's shoes like that, it's these images that are captivating. It's really good photos here that make somebody want to click. It doesn't necessarily have to say relax quickly. This photo here of the moon, clouds, the stars made somebody want to click, as well as this one here, as well as the rest of these thumbnails here. It's really good thumbnails with high quality photos. And I guess they found some that are working, so it only made sense to replicate the success from the previous videos. This one was streamed a year ago and has almost 600,000 views with 36 views per hour to this date. And this other big channel here has a similar trend, finding a theme that works for them. The amount of views per hour that these videos has been getting. Now you may be saying that some of these channels has over 1 million subscribers and may be unrelatable. I agree. So let's quickly look at a few channels that are under 1,000 subscribers and what they're doing to make their way towards monetization. Now to quickly find that out, I use this tool called vidIQ, where not only you can use this to find the right keywords to use for your videos to rank on, but there's one of the plans that allows you to find videos with channels that are under 1,000 subscribers, but many other features here as part of a detailed search. So what I did here is I filtered by under 1,000 subscribers and I searched for meditation relaxing videos. And there are a few channels here that popped up, and all of these are under 1,000 subscribers and their videos are getting over 100 views per hour.
But what if
There's one here called Meditation is Life with only 653 subscribers, whereby a few of the videos took off. This one has 86,000 views. That's still getting 92 views per hour. And according to Social Blade, this channel here, if it was monetized, and they're close to that with only 300 subscribers away, their estimated earnings are between $25 and $393, whereby with a daily breakdown, they'd be making over $10 per day with this brand new channel. Here's another one called Romantic Relaxing Music that just passed the 1,000 subscriber mark. And with this type of content, they most likely made the minimum watch hours required for monetization. Over the last 30 days, they had over 90,000 views. And according to Social Blade, there's a possibility that some days they made almost $75 per day. And that's with only 1.6 thousand subscribers. Now, even though they're only about 2 times bigger than the channel Meditation is Life, who only make around $10 per day, the possible reason for that is, well, obviously the views, but actually clicking the videos to get more views. If you notice, these thumbnails are not that interesting. If the aim is for meditation and for relaxation, these thumbnails are not as enticing as the thumbnails on this romantic relaxation music channel with 1.6 thousand subscribers. It seems as though they found a thumbnail system that is working here, just like those bigger YouTube channels. All of them state romantic relaxing music, but it has a similar look and feel. And with the vidIQ tool I have installed, you can see the amount of views that these channels are getting per hour. They are uploading daily, whereby the most recent video was uploaded 4 hours ago and is getting 165 views per hour, with almost 2,000 views on that video already. So that has already surpassed the amount of subscribers. This channel is a very good example of something to replicate. So what I'm going to do is look at channels that are similar to this and what they're doing to grow a channel around relaxing type videos, whereby what we've seen is posting consistently, making great thumbnails that would make somebody want to click them. And of course, after finding something that is working, that is getting plenty clicks, then make more like that. The last thing that we'll do is take a look at one of these videos and see how you can possibly replicate something like this. There is simple piano music playing in the background, ambient noises, and stock footage just playing one after the other. And that's the same thing throughout the entire video, all the way up until the ending. And that's pretty much it. Now, the approach I'm going to use with this is I don't want to spend any money to get this started. That is until, of course, I'm making money with it. To get these stock videos, you can use a site called Pixabay, where you can get all of that content for free by simply hitting this images here, choosing videos, and we just saw some waterfalls, so you can search for waterfalls. And here's a list of royalty-free videos that you could use in your YouTube videos by simply clicking it and hitting free download. You could pretty much search for anything else, like maybe sunset. Here's a nice one here with a sunset and a waterfall. So what you could do is drag and drop this into a video editor. There are video editors that you could use for free and put this to loop. So I'll have this playing over and over for an hour, 2 hours long. There's a popular video editor here called OpenShot, where you can download this for free. You don't have to spend a cent to use this. And it's a simple drag and drop editor where you drop the footage and then put it to repeat. So you can just hit download and try that out yourself. Now what I'll be using is Adobe Premiere Pro because it's what I already use for editing these YouTube videos. But OpenShot is fine to start with. Now you're probably wondering where you're going to get those relaxing audio files for free. Well, the truth is there are audio libraries like Epidemic Sound that has a lot of high quality audio files that you can use, but it's not free. Sure, there's a free trial, but eventually you have to pay for it. And even though it's not that expensive, I would actually recommend to not spend any money to start. What you could do is just use the YouTube audio library that's free. So once you create your YouTube channel and you come down here to YouTube Studio, on the left-hand side here would have the option for audio library. So just search for something here like ambience or relaxing or something like that. And as you can see here, there are many different audio files that you can download. And in case you're not sure if you can use this, according to YouTube, you're free to use this audio track in any of your videos, including videos that you monetize. No attribution is required. So you don't even need to say that. So you don't even have to mention the artist name or the sound here. And there's a lot of good stuff to use for these types of videos. And these sound great to start with, right? And you're not spending 1 cent. And in the video editor of your choice, you can just put that sound on repeat, playing behind those different royalty-free videos. Now that is exactly what I'm going to do. And only when the channel is monetized and I'm making money from this, and only at that point I would start using something like Epidemic Sound to get a wider variety of audio files to choose from. Now, if you like videos like this one, then you're going to want to check out this video next when I do a similar type of research, but it's for a different niche. It's in the health niche, where people have found not just one way to monetize a channel like that. So check that out.